Hey, myself Sadaf Iqbal, and I belong from Uttar Pradesh, Bijnor. I completed my bachelor's in science with a specialization in community nutrition in year 2023. After that, I completed my master's in nutrition and food technology from Uttaranchal University, Dehradun, and I am a nutritionist. Learning at Optimum Wellness Academy was excellent. My experience is so good. Like faculty members and team members are very helpful. Although I got to learn so many things. So yeah, the teacher at Optimum Wellness Academy is so supportive and always ready to help. Always just a text away. I did bachelor's and masters, but there is a very big difference in college life and academy. Your academy, like bachelor's degree is a fixed hours, fixed year, like very long period of time, like 3 years. But while I did the diploma, there is no such a long period of time. I got to learn so many things in very small time. Although in colleges I have so many subjects like biostat, food safety officers, food law. These are all the subjects I had, which did not give me much knowledge. But when I joined your academy, they gave me so much practical knowledge: how to deal with client, how to communicate with them, how to deliver diet plans. So the core purpose is to gain and uplift my knowledge and skills. And like, see, I tell you what is the main thing. Like when I was in college, there was a subject like biochemistry, food safety, and microbiology and biostats. There was the subject, but there was no such use when I will deal with the clients, nutrition client, because as you know, biostat is used for the mathematical purpose and research purpose. So basically, that's not used when I will deal with clients. Likewise, the biochemistry is containing so much equations and all, which is not required as such. And like food safety is used for the when I'll make a new product. So there is no such things I will do in my career and passion. And the other subject is foodry, which is how to store food in factory, how to preserve, and like all of these work. So I am a girl, come from a small town, so it's not allowed for me to work in a factory. So yeah, that's why I choose to be part of this Optimum Wellness Academy, which led me to learn all the practical things like how to deal with client, how to communicate with clients, and uplift my knowledge. So yeah, that's why I choose Optimum Wellness Academy. So I studied the diploma in food nutrition and dietetics from Optimum Wellness Academy. So yeah, basically I was always a science student, so it is not that difficult for me to understand this. But yes, of course, the person who is from non-science background can also learn from Optimum Wellness Academy. Like there were so many batchmates of mine at Optimum Wellness Academy who is not from science background. There was no rocket science of thing. Like people thought that nutrition is such a big deal, but Optimum Wellness Academy created very they taught a topic from your day-to-day life. They taught us giving the example of day-to-day life practically. They solve things so well that you don't even think like it's such a big deal. Just like supplementation, and like in India there is so much confusion through supplementation, but they clarify this topic so well. And like this various other topic, they clarified in so much simple language that you don't even think like we are from non-science background. Of course, when I will say about the language, some people are not comfortable in English, although they understand English, but they can't pronounce it properly. But the faculty member don't create the barriers ki like you only have to speak in particular language. They make you feel comfortable, and they answer all my queries in a friendly manner. So yeah, I always reach out to them before passing out my diet plan to any of my client, so that I do not get any trouble. So they are always supportive. like they are so quick to reply. Like I don't have to wait for a minute or like for days to reply, or like stop my work. Okay, they will reply, then I'll continue my work. Till then I have to wait. But no, they are so quick to reply. They are always ready to reply and solve my queries. So yeah, the one thing I have to mention about the academy is that they provide the recorded sessions throughout the course. Like whenever I have to rewatch it before the assignment, or I have to rewatch it for the particular topic to be cleared, I can watch it in any time of the day. And also like there was so much rush, like I have to go somewhere, so I missed my classes. So the best thing is that I came back and rewatch the classes, uh, which I guess no college provide. Like whether you did it from any of the in India, nobody provide this kind of support. So yeah, this is the best thing I like about the Optimum Wellness Academy. So yeah, after learning at Optimum Wellness Academy, I can make a various type of diet plan, like vegetarian, vegetarians, Jainism, like halal diet plans for the various type of festival like Ramzan, Navratra 9 days diet plan, and ketogenic diet plan, diabetic diet plans, and PCOS diet plan, cardiovascular, CKD, CLD. So there are various type of diet plan I can get to learn from Optimum Wellness Academy, and I can make confidently a proper diet chart for a particular person suffering from a particular disease or a particular type of diet plan according to their need. Like as I said, mention veg, non-veg, Jainism, all of these I can prepare. Optimum Wellness Academy taught me how to prepare a diet plan at various tools, like how to make a diet plan on Canva, how to make a diet plan on Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Chronometer and AI. So they taught me various other platform from where I can prepare a diet plan. Of course, also they had taught me how to make a diet plan through a pen and paper also, like all the calculations from exactly how to calculate TDEE through pen and pencil also. So yeah, they don't only rely on one thing, like okay, Canva is the thing, you only have to rely only this. No, Optimum Wellness Academy taught me various other methods and software, and of course the physical method, like on paper and pen, how to make a diet plan. So yeah, this is the best thing, I guess. So yeah, at Optimum Wellness Academy, I got to clear my so many myths regarding the food and the food industry. Like the number one myth is, like, of course, the supplementation. Like we all had a very big myth ki, like protein, we can't take protein. It contained so much harmful chemicals and all. But no, it is not the thing. Optimum Wellness Academy clear my doubt and prove me everything science based research. And also I just thought that peanut butter is a good source of protein, but it's not. It's just a carbohydrate. I just thought that the big myth is that junk food is a killer or harmful thing or a poison, but it is not. It's just like the portion size. And the other thing is to know that skipping meal can make you fat loss faster, but no, it is not the thing. Yeah, Optimum Wellness Academy push us to showcase on social media. Like they don't want us to rely only on offline clinic, but they also want us to expand our services and expand our career at online and offline both. They gave us assignments in that way that we have to showcase ourselves on social media, and it helped me a lot. Now I get all my clients through online. After doing all these assignment, I uplift my a standard as a nutritionist, so which make me think to I have worked so much hard to earn this degree. Yeah, when we learned everything, like how to make a diet plan, and all the theoretical classes are done, and now we know how to prepare a diet plan. But there was such a little hesitation how to deal with client, how to communicate with them, or what type of question they can ask from us. Then again, Optimum Wellness Academy help us by giving all the recorded call recording to us. Like now we can listen their recording and got to learn how to deal with them, because we can re-listen all those recording, like how to communicate with them, how what type of question they can ask from us. So yeah, this help us a lot while dealing with client. I got so much value. Like people just say, no, don't go for quantity, go for the quality. Yes, this is something like that. Ki market mein there were so many courses, cheaper courses like 10 to 15,000 around like this, but they just once you join now you understand, like they just start the recording, read the ppt, give you the certificate and just finish. But no, Optimum Wellness Academy is such a far different from them. Like they taught you everything by themselves, they help you personally. So yeah, it gave me so much value at my career also. So yeah, after completing my college or school, I decided to uplift my knowledge by joining various academies. So one of the academy is like NFNA. So yeah, I will not say that any of the academy is worst, because like National Fitness Nutrition Academy is only like stable for nation only, like it's national. And Optimum Wellness Academy is a wellness academy, and like it's a global platform. It provide international clients and international label, but the national NFNA is only a national. And yeah, for the if I talk about the support, that Optimum Wellness Academy provide you a personalized support and give you a message and queries within a minute, or I can say within an hour. But at NFNA, when I text them, they reply in within 2-3 hours. They take too much time to reply, and they don't give that friendly tone. But at Optimum Wellness Academy, they provide so much friendly nature that I can ask anything and freely to them. And yeah, the course at NFNA is not that vast, and lectures are also small. But at Optimum Wellness Academy, they cover various topic and big syllabus, which help us to gain deeper knowledge at wellness, about the wellness. And they provide you personalized support and care, personalized care also. Like they really want you to be successful. But I don't feel the same for the National Nutrition and Fitness Academy, NFNA, though they don't provide you that much support. And just don't feel they don't they really want us to be successful. So it just like NFNA, it just like you submit the fees and they just give you the certificate. But no, Optimum Wellness Academy is not like that. They really give you personalized support. For Optimum Wellness Academy, I will rate around 12 out of 10, and NFNA I'll rate around 6 out of 10. I can definitely recommend anyone to join Optimum Wellness Academy blindly, of course, because yes, my experience at Optimum Wellness Academy is so amazing. Like so amazing that I feel so blessed to be the part of this academy. Like once I joined the academy, I was so nervous, like I have to join it or not. What was the things like of course, as an Indian, आपके mind में so many questions arise. But yes, once you join, and when once you complete this course, you already got so much confidence, and they got to clear all your myth and queries, that you feel thank and feel blessed, of course. And yes, Optimum Wellness Academy helped me to get all the confidence, and they gave me client, they gave me practical knowledge. They taught me how to communicate with client, how to deal with client, how to prepare a diet plan, and how to showcase myself on social media now, which now help me to get all my clients through social media. And yes, they are always one text away to solve all my doubts.